In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullets in LibreOffice Writer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn plain paragraphs into clean, consistent lists and how to fine-tune their spacing so your document looks polished and easy to read. Start by launching LibreOffice Writer and opening the document you want to edit. You can also start with a blank page if you're just practicing. Make sure the text you plan to list is typed out as separate paragraphs, one item per line. Lists work best when the content is already organized this way. Before you format the list, it helps to have a clear structure in your document. Using paragraph styles, like text body for regular paragraphs or heading styles for titles, keeps everything consistent. This doesn't create the bullets for you, but it ensures your list blends neatly with the rest of your formatting, especially if you're working in a larger document. Next, select the text you want to turn into a list. With the text highlighted, go up to the top menu and choose Format. From that menu, click Bullets and Numbering. This opens the main dialog where you'll set up the look and behavior of your list. Here, you can choose the style of list you want. Unordered lists use bullet symbols, great for items that don't need a specific order. Ordered lists use numbers or letters when sequence matters. Outline is perfect for multi-level lists with subpoints, letting you create a hierarchy of ideas. Image lists use small pictures as bullets if you want a more visual look. Pick the category that fits your content, then select a preset style you like. You'll see a preview so you can confirm how it will appear. If you want the spacing and alignment to feel just right, click the Position tab. This is where you control the indent of the bullet or number, the distance between the bullet and the text, and the alignment of the text lines that wrap. Small adjustments here make a big difference in readability, especially for multi-level lists. When everything looks the way you want, click OK to apply the formatting. Your selected paragraphs are now a neatly formatted list. If something doesn't look right, you can reopen the dialog and tweak it, or press Undo to revert. Remember to save your document so your changes are preserved. And that's it. Simple, clean bullets in LibreOffice Writer with spacing and style that match your document.